there, we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be making some cookies, and I got it on Pinterest. I looked up under diabetes and it said diabetic too, and so we're going to give these cookies a try. They're called sugarless, flourless peanut butter cookies, and they talk about it's keto friendly, which I don't know that much about keto. And it's got low carbs. It's 6 ingredients. It's an egg, peanut butter. You can use stevia or monkey fruit. I happen to have stevia and monkey fruit, but the monkey fruit I only have in little packets. So we're going to use stevia. Baking powder, vanilla, water. And that's it. So I'm going to pan you down and we're going to get started. It's another hot day here in Maine. It's 87 degrees. We got a little break yesterday, but it's pretty warm today. So let's get started. I'm going to pan you down. Here we go. Hope I don't lose you. There, how about that? Let me get my notes over here so I can see what I'm doing or know what I'm doing. This is a new recipe to me. So what we're going to do is we got a bowl and we need a mixer, and we are going to beat together egg. So I have 1 egg here. I always put my egg in a separate container because you never know what might be in it. And we've got baking powder going right in. And vanilla. Oh, I love my Mexican vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. And we have stevia, 1 cup of stevia going right in. And it said that you should mix that for about 1 minute, but we're just gonna, oh, my beater fell out. I'm gonna bring you back when it's all mixed because with this shoulder, I have a hard time getting anything in. So I'll bring you back when it's all mixed up. Okay, it's all mixed up right there. So I'm gonna move the mixer out of the way. This is going to be interesting to me. Now we're gonna put the water in. Everything will be below in the description box. And we're gonna put the peanut butter in. And I've noticed on the peanut butter, the natural peanut butter, there's some peanut butter that's for sugar, very low. We have been reading labels like crazy. This peanut butter, I believe, has 1 gram of sugar, I think it is. It's I'm pretty sure it was 1 gram. We have ordered some peanut butter. We don't know when we'll get it. I'm still waiting for my order on April 26th. I guess I've got to follow through and find out what's going on. Okay. And what I do is I spray the inside of my pan. That way when you want to get peanut butter out or anything, it's a lot easier to get out. So we're just going to mix this together. Just like this. Now it's starting to stiffen up some. Mix it all together really well. There, it's all mixed up. And we're just going to make little balls and put a cross at the top. And now I got to find out what Ray did with my cookie tray because I don't see it. So I'll have to bring you back because he might not have brought it out. Okay, I'm back with a cookie tray and some parchment paper. You need a cookie tray and some spray on a cookie sheet if you don't have any parchment. And you just want to take them like this. You want to roll it into a ball. Oh, probably, I'm going to guess about this size. That makes a nice size cookie. Just like this. And we're going to put a little crisscross on top too. I'll make a few here. with a crisscross, and then we're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. They smell good, I know that. I'll have to hunt Ray down so he can do a taste test for us. And you just want to make a cross like this on the cookies. I told you I was going to be changing up a little. It's going to take time. I mean, I'm going to make regular things too. But today it's all about Ray and cookies. So right there is the cookies in the crisscross. They're going in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. And I'll bring them out and plate them up and show you what we got. Folks, I found Ray. Ray, what do you think? Is it hot out?
A little bit warm.
It's a little bit warm. What you been doing outdoor?
I've been getting your pool ready.
You've been getting my pool ready.
Finally.
Finally, yes. I just brought him in here to set him down. The cookies are cooled. And look at that. It made 12 cookies. And I'm going to have Ray test them. This is, like I said, a new recipe. So go ahead, Ray.
Okay. These are diabetic or
yeah.
sugar-free, I guess.
Correct. Sugar-free, flourless.
Peanut butter cookies?
Yes, they are peanut butter. You like peanut butter?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. So can you tell the difference between real sugar and that stevia sugar that I used to put in?
I would have a hard time.
Would you really?
Yeah.
Now, what about my other recipe that I use for peanut butter cookies and this recipe? What can you tell?
Almost the same, I think.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, I see these are nice and soft. It ain't because they're warm. They're going to be, I don't like nothing hard.
No, you don't.
These
like
are
them.
nice and soft. You can put your
Oops.
fingers right into them. They're good.
They are. Well, your hands look like they're working hands today.
Well,
Look
been in
at
the
them.
garden.
Been in the garden.
Been weeding,
Been-
digging.
Been digging. Been to the
Planting.
pool. Planting.
So,
Okay. Well, I suppose
you
you
good.
you deserve to have a dessert, don't you think?
Yes.
Aren't you thirsty?
No, not right now. I just had a whole bunch of water.
You just had some water.
Yeah,
Water, as you'd say. So,
Yeah, good.
Ray, what do you think? If you rated this 1 to 10, what would you give
I'd
it?
give it a good 10, I think. I
Would
think
you?
they're good.
So, you want me to make them again?
Oh yeah, because I need something.
You need
Because
something.
I used to be a big, well, cookie, cake, whatever Brenda would make, of course. You know, and now it's kind of hard.
Ray, how many things did you used to hide on me that I didn't know
No,
about?
I did not.
I found some stuff in the garage. I'm like, what's this?
I just forgot it was there.
Oh, you forgot it was there. Just before he got diagnosed with diabetes, I went out there looking for American flags, and I found brownies in a bag and honey buns in a bag. And I said that night, Ray, where'd these come from? Would you say, Ray?
I forgot they was there.
Forgot they were there.
Well, I would have ate them.
But yeah, we know you would have ate them.
Yeah, but you're good. I like them.
Good. Glad to hear it. So do you feel like you're deprived since I haven't been doing too much baking?
Yeah.
Yep. Now you're going to feel better?
Yep.
And you've got some left for tomorrow?
Yeah, because there again, I can't eat a lot of this stuff. You know, like probably only, I should really only eat 2 of these maybe.
In moderation.
Moderation.
But
Everything
then-
in moderation.
Right. And then there's no flour though in it. The only thing is some in the peanut butter, and I think that was 1 gram, maybe 2, but I think it was
I think
only...
it's 2 grams.
Is it? I looked
Yeah.
at several peanut butter containers.
Yeah.
But anyways, folks, we're going to end this video. You got to see Ray. Ray, would you like to tell him anything?
No, the garden's doing good. I'm laying down the cardboard and the straw. You know, we use that for mulch control, and also it keeps the ground damp.
Do you have anything you want to tell anybody from when you was terribly sick?
Oh, I want to thank you all for all the support. I was pretty sick, but now, like I say, a fistful of pills in the morning, and a couple of huffs from my inhaler, and my diet, and I am up and running, and like I say, I feel fantastic.
And you have lots of energy now.
Yeah, I have lots of energy, and I want to thank you all for being concerned about me. You know, I really appreciate that. We're going through a hard time, but just like I said, just watch my diet, take my fistful of pills, just about, well, each morning, and a couple at night, and I am all set. I feel great.
Okay, well, thanks, Ray, for testing the cookies, and try not to get into them, okay, Cookie Monster?
Can't.
All right, so we'll catch you later, and I'm going to go feel the pool and see if the pool water feels warm. Have a great day. Like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos, and God bless. Stay safe. You going to add to that, Ray? Stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
Stay strong.
Yeah, stay strong, stay well. Everything in moderation.
Everything in moderation. Okay, those are the last words from Ray. Have hope and faith. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.